Yes, students, today I am going to start with present continuous or present progressive tense. Present continuous, or one more name it has, present progressive tense. Right? So, I'll just decorate it for you. I like this. So, present progressive or present continuous tense. Again, I just want to tell you what is present continuous tense and why we use it. Present continuous tense is also called present progressive tense, as I told you or written on the board. And next is it refers to an action that is going on at the time of speaking, right? I'm speaking right now and simultaneously I'm teaching also. That's why I have used present continuous tense. So it shows that it refers to an action that is going on at the time of speaking. At the time of speaking. For example, as I said to you, I'm teaching you, simultaneously I'm writing also. So while I'm speaking to you, I'm teaching and writing. So I have used present continuous tense, and rule for it is again golden rule. Golden rule. Why I call it golden rule? Because it's a lot of, they help us a lot. So this is golden rule. Subject, first of all, subject, then plus auxiliary verbs is am, are, then again present participle. Present participle. What is present participle? Present participle is verb 1 plus ing is called present participle. Okay? And then plus object. Right? Now I have written 3 auxiliary verbs. They have their own uses. First of all, we'll talk about is it is used with singular subject am, it is for I, and are, this is for plural. Okay, I often say that I am says I is my best friend, I go with I only, because M says I go with I only, and is his best friend of singular subject, and are always goes with plural subject, and then we use verb 1 plus ing, it is called present participle, right? An object, simple now. Shall I proceed? Yes. Then now I will tell you why we use present simple and where we use present simple. So, okay, I want to show you one, I want to explain it by one diagram. That is, Parul is reading a book. Okay, Parul is reading a book. Okay, now see how I tell you. This is A means past, right? Again, time of speaking. This is time of speaking, and this is future. This is point number B. So again, action started From here, action started. Sorry. And at time of speaking, action still going on. When we are speaking, no, action still going on. Right? Now, I'll tell you, using present continuous tense. Using present continuous tense. And rule number 1 is, it is used to refer to an action, its progress, in progress at the time of speaking, as I told you earlier. At the time of, for example, he is writing a novel. He is writing a novel. So, he is singular subject. That's why we used is. This is auxiliary verb. We use is because subject is singular, and then writing. Write is first form of verb, and we have added ing. It is present participle. Right? So, he we use is because he is singular subject, and then verb 1 plus ing, that is present participle. What is present participle? Verb 1 plus ing again and again, I am telling you. Then, the next use of it is to refer a short-term action that may not be taking place at the time of speaking. A short-term. Pay attention. A short-term temporary action that may not be taking place at the time of speaking. At the time of speaking. Pay attention to this point, because earlier I told you that action should go on the time of the speaking. But here it's a short-term temporary action, and that may not take place at the time of speaking. Okay, for example, she is coming late to school nowadays. She is coming late to school nowadays. Nowadays. So, when we are speaking that time, she is not coming late, but regularly or temporarily she is coming late to school. That's why we have used present simple tense. And next is, number 3 is to refer to a definite plan in future. To refer to a definite plan definite plan in future. Example, I'm buying a bicycle this week. I'm buying a bicycle this week. At the time of speaking, the speaker is not buying cycle, but he or she has definite plan to buy bicycle That's why present continuous is used. Again, next usage is to make a prediction. Prediction. Example. This film is going to be a big hit. Film has released and it's people like it very much, so that then we can predict it that it is going to be a big hit. So the film, then we can use present continuous tense. The film is going to be a big hit. We have used present simple tense, present continuous tense because we have made this prediction. Film is going to be a big hit. It's a prediction. That's why we have used present simple tense, or we'll use present continuous tense. Okay, so we got it. Now, next I'll take present perfect tense. Next, I'll take present perfect tense, right? So, okay, I like these butterflies very much. And here and here for you, right? So, present perfect tense. Again, I want to tell, present perfect tense refers to an action or event. Pay attention. It refers to an action or event that started at some time in the past. It started at some time in the past and was completed not much before the time of speaking. When action has started in the past and it is not completed, it was completed not much before the time of speaking, and the impact of which is retained at the time of speaking. Right? Present perfect tense, I'm writing present perfect, I've written this. Present perfect tense refer to an action, refers to an action or event that started at some time in past, and was completed not much before the time. Not much before the time of speaking. And the impact of which is remained at the time of speaking. It's impacted there at the time of speaking. Okay, so rule for it is, again I give you a golden rule for it. Subject plus has, have plus past participle plus object. Right? And now has is used with singular subject and have is used with plural subject and I, you also. What is past participle? Past participle is verb 3. Verb 3 is called past participle. Right? So with has and have, we always use past participle tense. Past participle verb means form 3, right? Example. Okay. One more thing I want to show you to make it simple. Okay. So I'm giving you one example. They have visited Singapore recently. They have visited Singapore recently. Right. So this is criteria which I am setting now. This is past. Okay. And this is time of speaking. This point is time of speaking. And this is future. So at the time of speaking, some action is done, and in the past, this started action in the past, and at the time of speaking, it is completed and its impact is there on future, because recently is written. Recently means for some time, right? Again, using the past, using the present perfect tense, where we use present perfect tense, using the present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is used to refer to a completed action. A completed action in the past. Completed action in the past that has some relevance. That has some relevance in or connection with the present. So the action is completed in the past, but still it has some relevance or connection with the present time of speaking, right? For example, I have known you since my childhood. So you knew him since childhood. So have known is present perfect and it has its effect or means still he knows it. Still he knows him. And one more thing I want to tell you, in these sentences we use since and since is for point of time and for is for period of time. Now and next use for it is or present perfect tenses an indefinite action in the past where the exact time and other details are not given. When we have an indefinite action in the past where the exact time and other details are not given, means we don't know the time and details of the action. For example, have you been to this place before? have you been to this place? So here no specific time in the past that is given, or the action is emphasized more than anything else. Action is given, or action is emphasized more than any other thing. Okay, so we use present perfect tense over here. Now, next usage is an action that got over just before the time of speaking. An action that got over just before the time of speaking. Before the time of speaking. Right? Example. Prerna has just broken the vase. Prerna has just broken the mirror. So, had just shows that action has recently completed, or Prerna has broken mirror just before some time. So, because Prerna is singular subject, that's why we have used has auxiliary verb, and broken is verb 3, that is past participle. Now, next usage is a mental action in progress that started in the past and has continued. Mental action in progress that started in the past and has continued. For example, he has always enjoyed his responsibility as the class captain, because he is class captain and responsibilities are given to him, but he enjoys every responsibility. So he has always enjoyed his responsibilities responsibility in the past as the class captain. Right? Which means the action of enjoying started when he was given the responsibility, right? The act of enjoying started when he was given the responsibility in the past, and he still enjoys it. In the past, responsibility is given and its impact is there right now. He still enjoys, right? So, shall I write? Yes. Which means act of enjoying started when he was given the responsibility and in the past. Responsibility was given in the past and he still enjoys it. So impact is there. That's why. So present perfect tense is very easy, right? So that's all for today.